Welcome. Welcome, Pinky. Welcome, everybody. This is our views, and we're ready again. Another night. Hopefully, it will be our next intense discussion. I mix a little drink, it go down. So, how is everybody doing so far? Marianne, you there? You there, Marianne? Okay, Pinky, that's good. Good night, Tammy. How are you? Who will come up in the box with me? Oh, yeah, stay in the comments. You're at the theater. So I see you're on a date. Go on, my friend. Go through. Who can go movie date about? I'm here, Sammy. How are you doing? Welcome to the live, everybody. We have some interesting topics what we are going to discuss. But more I want female to come up in the box with me in a few too, so, make it even better. So I can ask a female to get phone point of view too. You know it got ready though. Why a girl can't treat herself? Well, I did not say you can't treat yourself. I'm saying, normally when a female is at the movies, she's there with a man. Normally. I'm not saying that a female or a man can go to the movies by themselves. But I'm saying normally it's the practice for people to go on dates. What's that in the cup? So I'm drinking this mixed with this. So what's in my cup stays in my cup. Why can't I be at the theater with a friend? Like I said, I never said that. But it's the norm for a man and a woman to go to the movies. You see me? I never say you and a friend can't do it. You see me? But I'm just saying. Hello, baby G. How are you?
Hi, Denny. How are you? I'm okay.
I'm good. Welcome to the live.
Thanks for having me.
How was the day so far?
It was okay. Just got in from work. I'm preparing to go on my live shortly because I promised some people that I'm gonna go on about 10 o'clock. So I said let me jump
So
on.
we have little time then.
Yes, we do.
So I have some topics that I want to discuss, and I want the females to give me their opinion, and then I go actually. Thanks for the rose. I go actually try and see if I can give my input to. So you see me? But the first
Okay.
question is,
Mm-hmm.
females, do you think it is inappropriate for your partner to go on social media and like females' pictures in bikinis? So them in a them sexy swimsuit and your man gone on Instagram or wherever and him gone like it and maybe comment. Do you think it's disrespectful?
It depends. For me, it depends. I don't have a problem with him liking a girl's picture because if him a like 10, me probably gonna like 20. I'm just saying. But
Sammy said that look
the
away, yes.
disrespect,
Hold on, so
not
yes.
to, that's why I said everybody opinion is different. For me, as
Yes.
me say, if him see 10 sexy girl out there and him like them pictures, me go see 20 sexy girl and me go like and comment on for them pictures.
So wow. So
It's
so
it's the disrespect behind it that makes it cause trouble. So say for example, women women are different in terms of we like attention. We love attention. And if you as a man, my man, and you just comment on a girl picture where a dead for some attention, in a fear it automatically most of the time the woman are gonna feel like say,
yeah.
yo, that man I like me now. All when him just a try for be just a regular friend. Cause I see man out enough time say, yo, baby, you look nice, you know, big up yourself. Me no want you, and the woman fly up, me no want you, I have my man already. Women think different when a man approaches them. So if you got the inside of the female comments and I say, hey cutie or something like that, automatically she go feel like say, yo,
No,
watch this a
me
boy, I'm
never
like
say
me
me
and him
say.
have him
Me
woman
ne-
and him have him woman.
no, me never said the man comment that like him a look nobody, you know.
Oh,
Me
you
say
said
me like
only
pictures.
like. He
Yeah,
can
like
like,
pictures.
but just know majority of the time I can guarantee you all for the bishop and at the all for the pope. If him like a female pictures, there is 70%, 50 to
It one that
70%
big up.
chance there is something about it that he likes. There is something about it that attracts him to it. There is something about that picture where me the woman to my woman all she in her 90 and 90 and said, but look on that girl, man, Jaja, click a like. You understand me? There's always
Alright, so
something
listen
behind it.
so listen to this now. You see how wanna cuss the man say the man something in a something behind it. Alright, so do you think as a woman it is appropriate for you to post a picture in a bikini online?
No, it's not. All right. As I said, it's for if every female is different. If you look on my page, I will never post a bikini picture. I'm sorry. Me never I go post a bikini because I know automatically what that I go stimulate in a male.
Okay.
But upon TikTok for so long, and I've never had males in my inbox. Never have male in my inbox.
Okay.
One day time I post one picture with the top of my breast I show. All of a sudden, man in my inbox, oh, and I had to take it down. I didn't mean anything by it. But
Okay, that's
men are
understandable.
stimulated by their vision.
What they
So
see, yes.
if a yes, so some of the times a lot of females are okay with posting bikini pictures and stuff like that. But them pretend like in at the back of them head them no know say yo, may I post a bikini picture
Big
yeah
up
because I know
that
say
though.
one man I go look on it and them gonna like me and then sit down in a denial. A lot of females sit in denial and just say, "Oh, I'm just post. It's my body." Yes, it's your body. You do what you feel with your body, but just remember, when you put your body out there, it is going to attract something. You can't put on milk and expect the answer to take it up.
Answer
I'm
go
just
take it.
saying.
So ladies in the comment, I haven't seen any of you commented on that.
But
Do
no,
you
a
think
lot
it
of the
is
females not gonna believe what
inappropriate?
I say. Them not gonna
Yeah,
probably
cause
agree with what I
earlier when
say.
we talk about it,
Them not gonna agree with what I
everybody a
say.
comment about the man, but una now comment say una
They
think it's
want exactly
inappropriate.
Sam Rico. Exactly Sam. They do want the attention. They do want the attention. So any female want come for me, them I forgot just come for me. But it is just natural. I have never
Respectful apology.
posted. I have never posted. I've never posted. But as I say, every female is different. Yes, it is your body, and I will repeat. I feel your body. You do what you want for do with it. But don't post it and expect a man I go just see your picture and just turn him head. No, man a man.
Exactly.
Them a human being. And it's nowadays and not just man alone. Woman a go look upon you too.
So since of late, most females, if them post a picture or a video in a regular outfit, as opposed to them posting a picture in a bikini or
Thank
something
you,
where them
Jay.
body parts are put a show, them not gonna get the amount of attention where them would have get. You understand? So this is one of
Basically.
the reasons why they do it. They do it for the
Pretty
attention
much. They do
and
it for the attention.
the likes that they can get from doing such things. So
And
it
it's
is
not
unfair for men.
necessarily likes alone.
Yeah.
It's not necessarily likes alone. A lot of female are genuinely a lot of female are, if they're honest with themselves, a lot of female are genuinely lonely. And me not go bash because I've been lonely before. Loneliness is something where hurts. It
Yes.
really does hurt. But it is very dangerous to post those type of pictures when you are lonely. Because when you post them the type of picture that when you're lonely, you are gonna attract the wrong crowd from it.
That's
So
true.
some female do post it for just get a little attention because them lonely and them just need little,
Like and
you
share the life,
understand me?
people. But yeah,
They just need a little attention.
in these cases, when you seek attention the wrong way, then you end up
That's what I
meeting
said.
the wrong persons. You see me?
That's what I
So
just that's what I just
yeah,
said. They attract the
so that is
wrong
a
crowd.
fact. You see me? And if it's a case where you're actually lonely and you meet somebody and he meet you out there in the opening like that, when me come and
Mm-hmm.
me meet you out there in the opening like that, me I gotta think you is one of them girls that were out there like that. You
Pretty
understand?
much. And that is
So
why a lot of those female make it, for example, they really do make it bad for other females. Like, for example, I was on my job the other day,
yeah,
and a male came on and he touched me on my shoulder, but he not just a touch, it's a touch like this type of touch. And I said, excuse me. He said, what's wrong? I just want to let you know that you look good and whatever. I'm like, no, but you tell me, don't touch me like that. And then him
yeah,
start cuss me. You go like you're better than nobody. You're ugly like. And him start cuss me. And I say, look how much girl me touch. And I just I'm glad like one man like me should not touch you. You understand me? So
yeah.
a lot of females who put those images out there make it bad for the real females who
All
and
right,
because
Jay.
a lot of men just approach them and just feel like say once them approach them with that, because them are show them body and them something them feel like every woman them for approach the same way.
That is true. That is so true. Thanks for the gifts, Manji. And what a lot of people not understand is that
Oh yes, Sammy. Yes, Sam. Yes, Sam. It was actually a
what
Jamaican. It was.
what a lot of people not understand is that once you put
Hi,
yourself out
Alfonso.
there, once you put
Mhm.
yourself out there a certain way, it's very hard for you not to actually look that way to the majority of the people in way you actually don't put yourself out there to that like you see me. So okay, Debbie, so we're asking if it's okay for females to actually post bikini pictures, and the first question was if it's okay for your partner to
And
go and video.
let's not just say bikini. Let's use the put it on the
Yeah,
bigger
yeah.
umbrella.
So
Revealing pictures,
the
revealing
posts that
pictures.
reveal, yeah, the ones that the females normally
All
post to attract the
everything.
crowd, yeah. So first I asked if it's okay for your partner to see a woman in a revealing clothes or bikini and go like her pictures or whatever,
Pictures.
and if you would feel offended by that. You understand? And then I went on to ask if it's okay for the females to dress like that and post it. If I'm seeking a wife, certainly
Exactly.
I know I want to
Exact.
find out
I'ma
the
show
world
you
for you.
something. I did a tattoo recently, and the tattoo artist asked me a very weird question, and I thought the
What
question was kind of
what you
weird.
don't see an issue with, Debbie? Go ahead.
She said to me, you can put this tattoo right here because it will be more sexy. And I was like, no, I want to put my tattoo where it's covered, where the only time somebody will see those tattoos is when I'm naked. And she said, really,
Okay.
that weird female? No, I want them for there in some secret place. So when time the only somebody will know what them there, I'm a spouse.
Okay.
I'm not
That's understandable.
again, me nah bash no female or have them something on do come for me, but me just prove the point where you just say with the whole being reveal and all of them something there. You know me,
Honestly, with me, I like tattoos. Me never none for my body, but me I think it more for put on one. But me like tattoos.
yeah,
Like see them. You see me? Not saying me have a problem with them. You know,
reputable
everybody
female.
different.
Okay, Jay.
You see me? And
The
the
bikini,
fact
nah
is,
man.
once you meet somebody where you like, it's gonna be automatic. No matter what she do. If you like a girl, no matter what she do, you're not gonna see what she do. You just gonna see her because you like her. You see me?
Pretty much.
Yeah. So
Because
even if
the eyes
so,
are
so
the
you
eyes
know,
is the
me just say
gateway,
that.
So what
Yeah,
the
me
eyes
just say
see,
that. Me just say that for say this. Even if she now wear revealing clothes, me still a go like her. You see me? Cause what me I think about it and me I say, yeah, seeing her in revealing clothes, yeah, that a gonna make me like her, yes. But even if she now
But
wear revealing
but
clothes, me
did
still
you
a go like her.
know?
Good night, Mrs. Mitchell.
Did
How
you
are you?
know though? Did you know though, Danny, that you have some men out there who rather to have females who are revealing? Like if
That's
them
what I was just
woman,
that's what I just
if them
explained.
woman now naked on the road, them not feel like say them at the G where a man can come up
That's
to
what I
them and
just
say, yo
explained.
dog, your woman that dog, your woman look good in a dog, and them feel them get a
One of the best
boost like
one
supplement
of the
from that.
one of the best feeling as a man is to know that you have a girl where everybody would want and nobody can touch her.
Yeah, but if I mean, this is where men get it
No, me I
wrong.
tell you
This
as
is
a
where men.
man.
I understand that,
Yes.
I don't understand what you're saying, but get this now. Now, when you
Yes.
put this in your pipe and smoke it a little bit, and make sure so when you smoke it, it not come through your nose. Make sure it go in your brain.
Okay,
Let
I'm
me tell you
listening.
this.
Yeah.
Let me tell you this. You see, if you have a man, yes, I'm not saying nothing wrong with that. It's self boosting. It's good. But if you have a woman and you have 20 friends,
Yeah.
and all of your 20 friend them, one day with your woman, cause them a say, yo, your woman, me can guarantee you. Me not forgot if not ask Jesus Christ. One out of that 20 that they can mash her. Me not ask
But
you. Tell me I tell you that.
listen what I'm saying. I
At
didn't
least
say
one
friends.
or
I
two out of them can mash her. Whether your friend
listen.
or your acquaintances. Whether your
Big
friends or
muscle
your
travel. Yeah,
acquaintances.
yeah, that's
But
what
there's
I'm saying.
always
When I
somebody
missed the
out there
point, you know. When
we
I missed
can
the
mash
point,
her.
I did not say nobody can go do it. What I'm saying is, as a man, if you have a female that is loyal to you, and you know, so when you go up on the road with her and she just sexy and everybody dead here, and when you walk past 1 million man, not saying your friends, you know, if you and her go out,
Mm-hmm.
for instance, you go to a party, or you go to the club, or you go somewhere where you and your woman are go out and she look exquisite, she look good, and everybody where she pass, them a look so. You as a man, I go feel good in
You go feel
yourself to
good.
know so
Of
them
course you
can.
go feel good. I'm not hearing you.
Yeah, you go feel good in yourself so them can't touch your woman, you see me?
Hi Liz darling. Exactly. You are and that's what I come back and I say nothing is wrong for you to have a woman. Nothing is wrong for you to have a woman that you know I'm not because every man that's a boost for some men. That's a boost for men where them a go have them woman and them like for know say them woman look good a road. But if you as a man rather to have your woman ass cheek and the pants in the crotches and it a show on every single part of her show, I can guarantee you say she can get take away a road easy.
Well. Even if she not in the bikini or she not her ass cheek down out there, she still can get taken down.
I know, but that's where the respect comes. That's where the respect comes
yes,
in. But hold
but
on,
that,
as
yeah,
somebody said it, not every woman is the same. Not every woman is the same thing, and it's not.
yes,
Let me tell you something.
definitely.
Not every woman is the same thing, but there's
That's
a
what me I said,
lot of
David.
time. A lot of time, men are. Let me tell you something. You see the hardest woman them, you see the woman them with all the fupa, we have all some fupa and because them not in a this long distance, this long falls, this and them all, and them some of them natural, down to earth, clingy little woman there. Man no want
Yeah.
them the woman there, no, because I guess them annoying. No man, them friend no feel like set, them not give them the boots. Not all it, you understand me?
Brother, I say
I
money and
understand that. That's what I was
opportunities
saying. Not
change
all
mind.
females. That's what I was saying.
What a woman where say a
Where it
lot
says a
about
lot.
that.
It does.
Yeah,
It really
but
does. But
listen
don't
what
you
I'm
think
saying.
that you can be covered and sexy? Is it wrong for somebody to be covered and sexy at the
All
same
right,
time?
so with me, honestly, I don't have a problem with how you want to dress. It's how you
Covered
feel
or not, me
comfortable
know
to
wife
dress.
way a skettle that way.
Exactly, and that's the same point I
That's
was
true,
just trying
Debbie.
to
That's
make.
true.
That's the same point I was just trying to make, Debbie. If the woman
Hi
wear this
Jojo.
long dress and long gown, that no means that she still not go give it way, or that no
I
means that man
know
still
that.
not go look her. So if listen, so wait, let me finish. So if she a wear long dress or she a wear outrageous clothes, it no matter to me as long as me comfortable and me alright with what she a wear. Me not have a problem, and it not even matter to me as long as she comfortable with what she a wear. Cause I know me I
Mm-hmm.
wear it. You understand me? Me just
That's
want to know
true.
say she look good
But you
and
know
if
what the
it comes
bottom
to me.
line.
Wait no, wait baby G. One only thing me want to know is that if it's a occasion where she has to dress appropriately or she need for put on some clothes, she got to do it. That is what matters to me.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? Because me and you now go somewhere formal or somewhere where we're supposed to go eat dinner or something, and then you're
In a
revealing
long
this
frock.
and that and all of
Or
them something there. You
revealing or
understand?
yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, so it depends on the occasion. As long as you can dress for the occasion, I am
It
okay.
wonders if my woman can wear them something. But at the end of the day, Danny, in today, especially in today's world, it come down to one word. Every single thing with everything, relationship with all woman dress, oh, it's a gamble. It's a gamble. It's like a lotto.
Yeah,
You win some, you lose some.
definitely.
You win some, you lose some. So you just have to just know say you gamble and you try to gamble properly for know say you gamble with one.
That's
Tyler
true.
Perry used this thing when considered when something that just I said a while ago with the wife where Tyler Perry used when said the 80-20 rule where a lot
Yeah.
of men have 80% at home and then them buck up in a one woman a road where give them the 20 and the 20 sweet no blouse and skirt and left the 80 and run gone to the 20 and I
And you
realize
never
say
remember say I just 20
you
that.
never remember say the 80 the over there so because you can there is this is what a lot of persons understand. Your man I got to one female where I'm like, and your female I got to one man where she like. Your man I got to one sexy girl on social media and like the picture. Your woman I got to one man on social media and like the picture. You never I got have a full 100%. We not even have 100% with
Yeah,
Jesus
cause nobody
himself.
not perfect for real.
Nobody
And
not
and that
perfect.
is
We not have 100 with Jesus himself, much less we're gonna have
that is
100%
what
with the spouse.
that is what a lot of people fail to understand.
And that is what
If
and that is
if
what mash up a lot of relationship. I just
if you
said them
can
left
meet
the
somebody
80% and gone with the 20%.
true,
Things are the
if you
20%
can
better.
meet someone that makes you happy and the two on share
Exactly, big muscle.
similar goals and have ambition one can work together and strive to achieve one want and the two on happy, then what else you can need? Anything else can work and if the man can't dress, you can buy clothes and put him in it. The man smell bad, you
Hey,
can buy nice
me now
cologne
do
and
that.
roll
Hey,
on.
one thing me can tell you say no.
You
Me do that
understand?
2 times and me don't know if me want to do it again. Me set up. Hey, me. Danny, me can tell you some story. I set
You
up
set
one
him
man
up the
one time
next
in the
man.
community where nobody no want the little man cause everybody I said that the man them big old man come like mass pants. I used to call him mass pants because he's always on big man. But I saw something in him. I'm take up the man, I'm fix him up, put on nice clothes, I'm make him know say Let me tell you something, fix him up nice. Him did have one little piece of shop where him did do. I learn my lesson, baby. Sam, I learn my lesson. Him did have one little half a shop. I'ma say, yo, this is what we are gonna do. Fix up shop, put on roof, start this little ting. Man, start look good now. All of a sudden, I start get stressed out. No woman never see him all of a sudden, girl a call phone, all of a sudden, woman a come in a shop.
But
It
that's the
stress
thing,
me
you know.
out.
Alright, so baby G, you see that man, the man grateful. And not every man is like that. You understand? If is a good man, he might go see the value of you. And he might go see say you bring out the best in him.
Turn
You
half
see me?
shop in a full shop. Right now,
You
shop
see
the
me?
down there run good like gold.
Most of the time, women, them see what people have and them want it. Them get jealous, them try to mash it up. And this happen all the time and it's something women hate. You will see somebody happy, and just because you see them happy, you want to destroy them happiness. And it now go
Pretty
benefit
much.
in no way.
Pretty much.
Yeah. So
And that's what always happens.
Yeah,
That's what always happens.
So another topic that I want us to discuss, right?
Big pants. Mass big pants, then you used to call him because he wears so big.
So baby G, and ladies on the live and men, do you think that females use baby to chop men more than men use babies to chop females?
I don't think he's ungrateful. I think him just never used to it and couldn't handle the attention.
Yeah, man, him ungrateful,
Probably.
Ungrateful.
Thank you, Jay. Me no feel so today doing because today one of the day them I was having a bad day, but thank you for that.
You know why I'm ungrateful? You know why I'm ungrateful? Because obviously it a go be like a man where he never have money and he make money and that one girl when did a look long time she never look on him. And him get him like a girl and him get rich. And as him get rich, the girl when never want him now. So
to be honest, as some people, and well, I should say she don't think he's ungrateful. I've never looked at it that way. Maybe the attention did fly up in him head for true. But at the same thing happened with the at the second time I do it one second time with somebody else again and
oh sorry Devi. I never know.
Oh, Devi.
I don't know about your story, so I am sorry.
That's why you
and you know, I just try to discuss topics that generally happen in society.
She's saying they're that means that she has been through a lot of them.
Yeah. So I know you joke, but me I said these are topics that happen to people a lot, you see me? And that is why we as human beings we have to try to always relate to people and try to understand where them are come from. Everyone hates me. Okay. I thank you. Bye. All right, happy people. Stay one there. We don't business. We don't know.
We need to have more independent women. What do you mean by that?
User 14. I think there are a lot of independent women out there.
Too much. That's why a lot of independent women are very much single. Because men.
Right now, if you notice, the roles of men, a lot of women are playing those roles. You understand me? And gone were the days where you would look and you would say all these vehicles on the road and you would say...
Hold on a second. I'm going to mute my mic.
No problem. When you used to say men in these vehicles and you see, once you see a top car on the road, you say it's a top businessman. Right now, when you see the top vehicle on the road, you see a whole heap of women in them. And you have a lot of females who are bosses and they're doing their own thing. So I believe there are a lot of independent women out there. Not only men. Just join in. What's the topic?
What's the topic? Too much self-dependent. No one is... That's why so much women is single.
Too much self.
Explain that for me, Big Muscle. I'm not quite sure if that statement is... I'm not quite sure if that statement is true.
Try bringing
I think independent women are more single than dependent. I think a lot
Yes.
of
See me make him
I
explain that.
think yeah, I think a lot of
Welcome to the light,
independent
my G.
women are single more. So could you explain?
This is our
Self-dependent.
views.
What I mean, yeah, good night.
Yeah.
Self-dependent, we
Good
just mean
night.
like them depend upon themselves for most things. You get what I'm saying?
Oh,
Yeah. Them not have no
Okay.
man
yeah.
doing it. But
Okay. Well,
independent,
Yeah,
be
okay.
that is
nobody
what
no
is
job.
happening now in society for real. Females are
Yeah.
being more of
Self,
a boss.
yeah.
You
That's
see
what I
me?
mean.
Okay.
So
Okay,
that is
well,
what is
you're
happening
kind.
right now
If
for
that
real.
is, I understand
Broken
your
over the
statement
years
no,
between a
and to be
mankind.
honest, Mister Big Muscle, that's exactly what is happening because I think I am probably that person. Why I'm a state to myself.
Yeah.
Because I
Okay.
may
But
do this, I may do my own business, may I make my own money, may I do everything for myself and my kids.
no, me you talk about something early. I want to elaborate on it and when let me know
Sure.
when we can go. Let me know, Danny, when we can go.
Yeah, man. Go ahead.
Yeah, go ahead.
You see this take up and fix up man business and
Yeah.
take up and fix up people. Never you would do that.
I
Don't do
learned,
it.
I learned, I
All right.
learned, I learned.
So let me explain, my G. When me say fix up, me no mean forgot take up no workless man or no careless man. What I
No,
am
he's just
saying,
referring to what I
I
said
know,
that I had
no,
fixed up
that
someone.
no, that's because I had said that the woman can take up her man, and if him not this, and him, that's why you did reply and said that. But what I am saying, if a woman is in a
Mm-hmm.
relationship with a man, like how she did, I say
Mm-hmm.
80%, and probably said the
What
20
left
now,
the 80
is
and
what
road
me
go
I
to the
talk about.
20?
So that's what me I say. If it's a case where you find out, say your partner, him can't dress, you can give him pointers, tell him, say, babes, them shirt, they don't look good pan there, Wear
True.
them kind of shirt there. You understand me? That's the roller on the way I use that, the other on the way I use it, wear off too quick, get some degrees. You see me?
Mm-hmm.
True.
These are the things that me I talk about. Like when fall short, try to help him.
Right,
The
that's a
little thing
Sam.
them where him need help with, you can help him with it. I don't mean say if you go take up now careless man or no man where I go take advantage of you and you go do certain things for them. You understand?
Right.
Yeah.
But it depends on the it depends he's saying more communication. It depends. I'm a openly communicative person and I think a lot of I that is one of the first thing. It's very bad, I must admit. If I'm supposed to start like a yeah, try to move for meet somebody and for talk, that's one of the things with me start off with. Me very annoying when it comes to communication. I
Yeah.
am a word person. Words. So you have to make sure so yeah use the correct type of word. That's how I communicate. And most men tend to
Oh.
find that very annoying. Because if me I go say to you, say, all
Thanks for
right,
the rose.
babes,
Mhm.
me I go there son something. What you do later? Me I
Yeah.
go do this. Me we call you. Don't tell me say you're gonna call me. Explain to me. Let me
True.
know because if you're gonna just tell me say you're gonna call me and then when the night come and you don't call me and then me I call you, me can't get you and then the man you're gonna tell me say your phone dead. My
See
head
this.
chip right away.
Now
So
let me
so
ask you something.
yeah.
Communicate with me and tell me, okay, this is what I'm gonna do. Me I go work. Me I left work about 8 o'clock there about and so me not go stress you because you tell me that already. But if you're gonna give me bits and pieces of the information where it gonna stress me the hell out. Tell me exactly women just like we're just be and it not have nothing to do with say no woman I go on know where you're there every single minute. It not have nothing to do with
Mhm.
that. Because if you sit down and you tell your woman, some women say, babes, me I go work 5 o'clock. When me left work 5 o'clock, me I left work about 6 o'clock in the morning. When me left work 6 o'clock in the morning, Paula and Harry tell me say them want we link up for about 1 hour and play two domino. Two domino, maybe it might go over because you know say domino game sweet babe. So sometimes it might take one look at 2 hour. But me I give myself 1 2 hour and then me I go come on about in at the 10 o'clock in the morning. Alright, babes, no problem. Even though you say those information and you make sure know that the woman not gonna stalk you. But this is it. If it come to the point where you say it'll go over the time where you give her just shoot her one, it not gonna kill a man. Shoot her one text message, make your friend them laugh after you if I saw the case. A happy home, and that's your work plan. Just message and say, babes, that run a little bit later, but my day the same way. I soon come in here. Simple as that, and just make sure know.
No, No, I
Because
just
she
speak.
not
Let
go
me
beat
answer.
up on. She not go beat up on your phone every second and I say, yo, where you there, where you there, where you there, where. And one time you do the thing, and one time you not call it, oh, babe, my phone did dead. You know, some left my phone at the car and I did the order so. You know, some did. No. Just be straight up. It's a
No,
once you talk and
So so
communication are the
so
key.
so
It
so this is
not
a
kill
thing.
nobody.
This is a thing. Some men are them find it hard to express themselves to women. You see me? And where where it happens that if him actually express himself, some females would use it as a weakness towards him, or them will say him too soft.
And I don't
So
think so. I
this is one of
disagree.
the
I disagree with
no,
you.
no. As a man, I can tell you this, and not
What if you don't
not
have
with
to express
not
it?
with being, you know,
Did you know that you not have to express yourself to your woman? Did you know you
baby
don't have
G,
to express yourself to your woman? Guess is why. Hold on, me not kill you. Guess why you not have to express yourself to your woman? Your woman already asked you the question. Your woman ask you, you know, babes,
yeah,
where you go? Me I go to work. What time you gonna come home? 5 o'clock. You ever got stop anywhere else before that? Yeah. A woman always gonna ask you the question. You don't have to express nothing because she already asked you the question. Just answer. But a
yeah.
lot of men don't answer. Because me we make you know, man. Me make you know. That is all them. Me we make you know. Don't make she know. Make she know when she asks. As simple. You not have to
All right.
express and going on a detail because men don't really know how to express themselves. You are right about that. But I just the courtesy.
Well, like I said, not every man is willing to work on a
That is
relationship.
true. That is
You see
true,
me?
Devi.
So when you find a man that is willing to express himself and work on the relationship, and you see the qualities in him, you know if him is a good man or not. But you know, sometimes people be searching for perfection and them
mm.
want everything for perfect. And you
Hold
have
on,
to
hold on.
understand say not everything is perfect, you see me? You gotta have
No,
little mishaps.
there was what is d- baby G.
Yes,
Me
hi.
can me identify immediately that you're a communicator. You know? Immediately by listening to you, I identify that you're a communicator. Now watch this now.
It's key.
Watch this. You see when you talk to these people, do you
Mm-hmm.
tell them that you like communication or you try to realize it?
Off the
Is he a
bat, no.
communicator?
But tell them two things. Two things.
Uh-huh.
First things first, me always say. Two things me always say. I am very clingy, annoying, and I love to communicate. Just talk to me. Don't don't make me have to think what is happening. Just no matter how bad it is, just that are one of the things I always say. Just communicate with me. That's
Yeah.
All right. Hold
all.
on. Well, stick a hold up a bit. Well, may I show you something? The word communication is defined by some people different from how you define it.
Yeah,
Mm.
everybody communicate differently. At the same
Uh,
definition for communication, but people communicate differently.
That's true. That is true. I'm not saying that. All right. I think I don't correct me if I'm wrong, but it's how I put it. It's how I put it. Just to explain the type of person who I am. I as I said, wording is a big thing for me. My love language is communication, touch, and music.
Okay.
Those are my love language. So you know what's sexy to me if me find one man right now and him not have no
sound like a
clue what him want
Capricorn.
say to me. But when him send me one song and say, babes, that's how I feel about you, you know. I mean listen to the word of the song because the words are what I'm gonna be paying attention to. I
Are
pay
you a
attention to
Capricorn? You're a
words.
Capricorn?
So
You're a
so
No,
Capricorn?
I'm
so
not.
so
I'm
so
not.
so baby G, you would
Yes.
enjoy a man making a playlist for you and stuff like that.
Oh
Things
Jesus.
like that hardly happen nowadays still, you see me? Very
Danny,
few men will do these things
Danny,
now.
let me
You
tell
see
you
me?
something. Mama tell us something. A playlist? Oh God.
Yeah.
Oh Jesus. What? That's my love language. As I said, um, that's also a thing. You have to. A lot of persons don't even know what their own love language is.
Mm-hmm.
So you're going at this relationship and you like this, him like that, and then when the two eyes combine, it the
Feel my
juiciness
My
just
my
dead
love
dry
language,
out quick.
my love language is what you just mentioned. Right? That's what me accent is a Capricorn.
Your love language is music
No,
and
everything
touch
what
and
you
community.
mentioned.
and
Yeah,
say
everything what
everything
you
where you
mentioned.
just say.
That's
Okay.
my love language. That's what me
So
accent is a Capricorn. But me ask you
so
something, Danny. Want to say something,
yeah.
Danny?
Denny.
Danny, yeah.
Look here.
Yeah.
That woman,
Lucky
man,
Denny.
no
What do you think about them quality of money in a society nowadays? What
Yeah.
your views, but like, the man them not in 30s early. What you know what I'm saying? Like, what do you think about it?
Well,
like
cause me in my early 30s,
Yeah,
based on
yeah,
how me did grow and the
that's
people
true,
them
Sam.
and the people them when me go around, me kind of grow differently, you see me? And after me
yeah.
reach certain age, my mindset kind of change. You see me? So certain things that me used to do as opposed to when me did in my teens or my early 20s, is like them things that don't really matter to me. Me don't want that no more. I want something me know solid and
Because
somebody
you
me
are
know me can deal
growing.
with. Yeah.
And that
So
is what happens in relationship, Danny. You met somebody when you're 25 and the person is 25. Yes, so by the time you reach 35, you find out something about yourself where you never know, and she find out something about for herself what she don't know. When you reach 40, at the
definitely.
same thing. The more you grow, or the both of you are gonna find out things about yourself where you go change, but each person have to know so them have to come together and just love what those changes are. Because if you don't
Definitely.
love those changes, you go say you change, the both of you not go change. But
That
now
a
if you just
fact.
come together and accept the changes then without separating and that succumbs the 80-20 rule come in. That is why a lot of men when them come and
But
them find out say the woman this
David,
the come
yes,
on.
what happened now? The
Good
80
night,
20.
Debbie. Good night, Joy.
Good night.
You
I'm
ladies
Hi
have
so
some
Joy.
nice day.
Debbie.
you hearing me?
Welcome to the
Yes, I'm
line.
hearing you, Debbie. Go ahead.
Yeah, man. Good night. Good night. So yesterday, 80 20 something, it really, because it
It
happened to me.
is.
Me being the culprit and choosing the 20. Not
So
intentionally,
you
but
choose the 20.
She said
yeah,
not
but not
intentionally though. Go
intentionally
ahead.
because you're there. As you were saying, you grow with somebody, you're probably the same age group, but over the years, you realize that you're growing, you're getting introduced to new things. There's life out there to explore.
Mm-hmm.
I think probably we both went and got 20s and didn't realize that we each had 80 because we get new experience, you find out new things, you try something, you find out so you like it. I am not even realize, say, I really 20, you go out there when you leave the AC yard. But as you say, you grow up,
And mess up.
you grow, you change. Of course, people change. People always complain and they say, oh, you change. We have to change. If you don't change, you don't evolve. It's what you
And
do with the change.
and you know what is the main thing? You see, when you find someone that makes you feel like you want to change certain things about you, that's when you really find out that you really find somebody that you want to be with. Because if
That
me meet
too.
a girl and everything with me do, she can actually put me in the mindset for no say, yo, you know, say this, me not for do this or that, me not for do that. Then obviously she is doing something that is good for me. You see me?
Most men find that annoying.
Come away
Yeah.
alive
Most
because
men find that annoying.
the G1 of art feel if somebody make her own playlist and I mean that because they're so they're yeah, because
Well, I
look at
don't.
it
Well,
this
I
Give me a
don't
way.
know if
playlist and
every.
tell me how you feel.
Well, I don't know if
Because
every woman likes
Mama
that.
calm down, mama calm down. But that is
So I
it.
don't
no,
A
know if
it's
lot of
not.
persons need to.
females in the
A lot
comments
of
can tell
persons
me.
need to. It goes right back to what. And funny enough, that was gonna be my topic tonight. My topic tonight was gonna be love languages. A lot of person needs to start researching what their own love languages are.
That's
People
it
need to
so
find their love languages.
even though I thought I left the
Because let me tell you
80%,
something. Let me tell you what is the problem. Let me tell you what is the problem.
what needed really want. I wanted
They
somebody
need
that
to learn.
is going to make me excited. You know, how me did feel. Well, I'm not even going to say I went to a 20 because I said the 20 probably did feel like a whole 100 because when I was
100, that's what I'm
walking,
saying.
It feels that way.
when I was walking, it would have there behind me like. I can't believe see a my woman that every text, in which the
And
person when me
that make you
think of
feel
me
good.
80, the person me think of me 80, him nah do that. Yes, him take care of me financially and all of that, but him nah give me the words
Devi,
and
let me tell
words
you. Let
it's
me tell
not
you what
to
happened
do.
right there, so Devi. Let me tell you what happened right there, so. And this might crush.
Baby,
It'll crush a lot of woman can, and it'll crush a lot of man can. Let me tell you. Sometimes women, we need to stop boost up the man them. You know why? Hold on, let me explain why we say we stop boost them up. I have a
Okay, go
friend
ahead.
who have this guy, and when him in the bedroom, she boost him up. Yo, you're good, you're bad, you're this, you're that. And the same thing when him do to her, him carry go out there go do to other females and start cheat. You cheat basically and a cheat with disability. Because what? A woman love you and rate you. And she love you and she rate you and she don't want to crush your feelings and she make sure she work with what you have. You cannot find up a woman and because you go to this a woman and this a woman you like this daggering and you go to another woman and I do the same thing because that the woman there tell us say you're bad and you're wicked in a bed.
All
And
right,
this a
baby
woman you
G.
tell us say you're bad.
You see, for me
You
as a
can't do
man,
the same thing. You
me
can't do
rather
the
you
same
tell
thing to every single.
baby
You
G,
can't do the same thing to every single woman.
baby
Not
G,
because you
1
go
minute.
out there to one woman. You can't do the same thing to every
To me
woman.
as a man, me rather you tell me the truth so I can work on what I need for work on. And
But that
Yeah,
is
that's
it, and that is
Devi,
where it
1 second,
comes in with
let me
what
finish.
Devi was
Let me finish.
saying.
Devi, what I'm saying now, you as a female, you deal with the man, him not tell you how you're sexy or boots you up. You as a woman, you can talk to him and tell him, say, babes, you never give me a little compliment yet or you never this. Make him know say you want to hear them thing there, your man.
but
Make him
Benny,
know what you like.
That
A
is
lot
what
of
I am.
times, a lot of times
communication
That
is
is
females
what
nothing
I
make
am
it
getting
difficult.
at.
seem as
That
if
is what I am getting at.
a lot of females make it seem as if men can read minds. We can't read minds.
No, I
You
know that
understand?
men
That
are
You're
not
supposed
hold
to
on.
telepathic.
tell we
Men
But you
are
know,
to
not
say
tell
some
we
men find
telepathic.
that offensive, Danny. Men
make
find
we
I have met men who I said, okay, I don't want you to touch me like that. Do it this way. Move on away from yourself. Because I do it with this a woman here and she like it. And you know much in girl me have and she tell me say them love
if
it this
him
way.
care,
They
you know.
find it offensive. Some
If
men
him
find it
care, you
offensive
know.
when you are telling them, listen, don't touch me like this. Touch me this way. Talk to me this way. Say this, say that. They find it offensive.
But
Not
Because
only
them
that,
feel
you
like
know.
say them already know what them are do.
Hold on there, baby G. Let me see if me can answer Queen Shania so. True Queen Shan say the woman a lie. It's not must be a lie now because we have to remember this too. Everybody is different. So if Mike can please me and can't please baby G.
please
So
you,
he
true,
might
Yeah,
tell
true.
him
Thank
say,
you.
yo, you have it locked
definitely.
up. And at the end of the day, you not have it locked on baby G side. So it's not must be a lie. She telling him. She telling him how she really feel. So you have to understand again and the satisfaction, right? Everybody satisfied different. You understand what I
Yeah.
mean? So
So
it's
so
not must be a lie.
so me Joy, that's what I'm saying. You see, if it's a situation where you're in a relationship with somebody and you rate them that much, you respect them that much, try and help him. Let him know stuff that you like and that you dislike. A lot of times the females them try to tell you say figure out my body or this or that. When them can actually make it
But
easier.
hold on then, Denny, look
Yeah.
at now. At which point you try to teach a male or a female this? A certain age you know I'm not teaching or nothing. Cause at my age when me there at the
It's
level where me there
it's
right
not
now, brother.
about
Me
teaching.
not gonna
It's
depend on take up teaching
you
and
hear what
say
I say?
what he
It's not
likes and
about
No, but
teaching him, you know.
you have to be open to
It's not
learn. It doesn't
about
matter your
teaching him, you
age
know.
or where you
It's
are. You
about
have to be
you
All
being
right.
open to
willing
You see
to
what
learning
make the
Joy?
and
situation work.
You see what Joy just said? Where do you actually start? Knowing today's day. Nobody don't want to know what's your favorite color anymore. Nobody don't want to know what kind of music you like, what's your favorite movie. No
I want
man
to know
now
what's
ask
your
them
favorite
question there
sex
again,
position.
Everybody want to know what's your favorite sex position, what kind of pants you like to wear, what is this and that. Nobody don't care about those things anymore. So you jump
but
in at the
then is
bedroom with this
that's
woman and this man as you meet them and you start this, and it don't make no sense.
Baby
Nobody
G,
want to find out what's your favorite color anymore. Come
Baby
on.
G,
that's true.
Yes?
Baby G,
but then
Sometimes
what
what
your
I was
favorite color?
saying to you
Yes?
then is that
What your
we have
favorite
What's
color?
to
my favorite
communicate.
color?
Yeah,
Big
Royal
Muscle,
blue,
hold
baby.
on there,
Blue,
Royal
Debbie is
blue.
saying
blue.
something.
Okay,
Right?
okay. Me
No,
work on
not
a thing.
blue. No, no, no. Don't get it twisted. Not
Royal
blue.
blue.
It's
Baby G,
royal
one
blue.
second.
Royal blue.
Go ahead, Devi.
Alright, me I go and work on a
Yeah,
playlist.
then
So
yeah,
go
I
ahead.
was saying here that communication communication is not an issue, right? Because I am a very communicative person and I am going
Yeah,
to tell you what I like from what I don't like. So, of course, the person I was with for 8 years stopped giving me compliments. And of course, we can't just do
yeah,
this thing
yeah.
where we're going to get up every day, go work, and come in. You feel like I want business arrangement and not a relationship. The
Hamster
dinner
wheel,
date
hamster wheel.
stop. The compliments stop. And then I went out there to quote unquote the 20% who when me I walk I got hold on for me and squeeze me flat body and play in my ear
Me
and play with
say,
my ears. So what you think
Boy,
of
make your
that?
body feel
Because
like
yeah,
Devi,
it's big and
the,
Devi,
little.
Devi, not feel good when time
yeah,
you look a flat bottom get squeezed. You feel like you're somebody, you know?
look here. Me
You
say when me I
know
walk, me think of Jada Kingdom. Me think me and Jada
what? Me
Kingdom are
say,
sister. Me just feel like it a shake, it a shake, it a
Boy, boots
shake.
you up.
Yeah,
But
I do.
that is what it is all about
So
still,
of
you
course
know?
me tell him say the communication is there because I'm telling you the person that I truly love, I'm telling you that babes, you know say a long time you're not me doing my nails and you know say my nails so whatever. I just step on work. Of course I'm going to communicate with you. I'm going to tell you what is wrong before I do anything. And then you do it for 1 week and then you stop. Me talk about it again, I do it 2 days and then you stop. Me can't deal with inconsistency.
So
I'm the
so
type of
so
woman I'm going to tell you what I want.
so question for the ladies. If you're in a
Mhm.
relationship with a man, right? And he's at 90%, 90%, not even say 90, 95%. And the one problem is that he has a small manhood. What would you do? You gonna let him?
You can't work with me with that one day, you know, because I
Answer the
have
question
Um,
treasured,
and then Debbie,
I
you
have
answer and then Sean
treasured,
answer. Yeah.
I have treasured every small act that I have come across.
oh, you mean treasure? Baby,
Because
do you mean I get that one?
no, me
Hold
not
on
lie
there.
you like panas. No, Devi. Let me. All right. I get the name Baby G. I got my nickname Baby Girl. I get the name there from high school. I was the only virgin in grade 10. It was a big deal, and them say me a baby girl, so them used to call me the baby girl of the group. I grew with a mentality when I go through certain things, and when it come to men, I stay back. Certain things, I just not want. So you see
Yeah.
some woman run down this big 10, 9, this. I won't not go with that. I no go and go part that. I don't care who want laugh after me. Me no want no 8, 9, 10 up wish pan no. Me no busy when nobody wants say me don't want it.
You
Me we
now
So
work
satisfy
with
with
Then
my
man.
it
little something
depends.
them.
Where you work?
Then
Me
it
we
What
satisfy
depends.
with my little something them.
Baby G,
It
what you done say?
depends. It
Hold on there.
depends.
All right. Your time, Debbie. Go ahead and answer.
Yeah, me just say it kind of depends because me not gonna lie, 80% did well strap, 80% did strap bad.
Sammy.
But then me
But
not
nah,
tell them well,
like,
you see the person I was getting the compliments from and the time what the point that you got to earlier, baby G, about the communication. This
yeah,
person
yeah.
when me leave work 4 o'clock, him call me and say, be yellow for 4 o'clock, why not reach me, why not text me it? Me like that.
Okay.
So yes, because
There's
I
small
like
and
all
then
of
there's
those stuff.
So
tiny.
him did I
The
take you
community,
serious?
me not even a
Exactly
member
true,
say
queen.
it's small because me not member say it's small because the feelings,
He might
everything
treat you
else was
better
there. The
than the
attention,
80%.
the treatment is there.
Watch your
You have
comment
find out when me
section there.
eat, what I had for lunch. You have find out all of them something. They say, come like me, you get me so excited. Me not even remember his size. You had everything. You kiss on my
So
tour.
Debbie,
You rub it.
Foot
All of
Debbie,
fetish,
them
you
one
know,
something
your
there.
foot
question.
fetish.
You see how the way you make things sound? It sound like the 20% is more like about 40 or 50%.
I mean, that's what I mean. I say 20, probably not really 20.
Yeah,
You know, we just
so
have a
so
call it
so
a 20.
so
I never
maybe
really
it is
20.
more. Cause
It,
if it might make you more happier than the person where you are claiming is 80%, then that is actually what you really need, Cause
and
happiness is key. You see
and I
me?
think
Watch your
when it's
comment section.
smaller,
Watch your comment
them put
section.
out more effort into it. But think when them know them not so strap, them put out more effort in making you feel good.
Sam say if it's small, it better turn it on. No, Sam. You see what Sam just said a while ago? What Sam just said? That is one of the things, Sam. I am not an insert person per se. I'm an outward person, if you want to put it that way. I am not big on inserts. So that's why the small, it no matter me.
Okay, Joy, go ahead and answer now.
Okay.
If you have a
Before
six,
I answer,
them don't want ya. Liar tell it out. A liar tell it. Lie. Wrong person you buck up in there.
Joy want answer.
Before me answer, me just want to touch upon little upon what David just said. If you are listen to David keenly, the 80%
Mm-hmm.
was once the 100% him used to tell her, but him stop.
Yeah.
So him used to be that
Big up Fluffy
person.
Bunny from
Hi,
Canada.
Fluffy
Welcome to
Bunny.
the
Hi,
live.
Fluffy Bunny.
Hello,
Yeah.
Fluffy. So yeah, man. Me it's not a big thing pan the whole big thing that I mean. You work with small is good for me.
Thank you. Thank you.
But what is small and what is big? That just go.
Small or depends
Having
on
this
what you do.
conversation with so many females saying this, this is actually surprising to me based on how society is and how
Yeah, because
females
females
would
always I say
normally
them
talk.
love. I don't know why female always
Yeah,
a big up themselves and a talk about them one donkey.
exactly.
Where donkey I go? Wanna go on with that?
Exactly.
There's a
So, so,
change in them.
so,
I'm going to explain it to you. So go
Sensia.
on, Joy.
You want me?
No, hear what happened now, Denny.
yeah,
I believe in pleasurable sex or enjoying each other.
definitely.
And if you have something big where I got broke out the whole of my belly button, brother, me not have
Thank
time
you very
for enjoy.
much.
I have time for
Me
ball.
never enjoy.
Because,
And if
Danny, you
it
see, as
is
a yard man,
over,
we
Yeah.
grew up with a friend where I say, yo, we're going to take out girl belly and race.
Yeah,
Nothing no
that's
go
what me I
come out.
said. That's how
And
society
woman,
make
them
things
and them
do.
go out the area.
So
As
when
we,
you actually sit down and hear these things now and multiple
yeah,
females talking this, it's actually
outer
surprising to me.
ear. Me not some more
You see
time,
me?
they don't want a dig out belly, but at the outer area mostly. You understand what I say?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
But yeah, that is something. But ladies, back to the other topic that I was asking you. You think females use baby to trap men more than men use babies to trap females?
Average is good enough.
Yes. Yes, I do think so.
The rap and stop. Thank you, Sammy.
Because Debbie, I would agree with you. Because it's very rare. Most men,
And that's out of
if
personal experience too.
yeah, most time if a man would meet a female, right, and then he has switch topic too fast.
Not true.
Okay,
Them
I'm
love talk
sorry.
about
Not
the,
Sorry.
the
true.
bedroom, man. Yeah.
But me just did want hear what I say because
But
a lot of times a man would meet a woman and because him like that girlie and him want her, him say, no one she gonna away no me I go breed her. And it's a thing
Most
for
older man tend to
Jamaicans.
do that with younger girls. You see,
It's
older
a
men
right,
do
that
that's
it.
so
not stop
Daniel.
nothing
it's a
though.
Jamaican
That
thing.
not really stop nothing though.
Yeah.
That not really stop nothing for Denny.
I know
Older
that.
men.
That not
I
really
know
stop
that.
nothing.
But on the other hand now, females do it a lot for financial stability. So if a
Mm.
female feel
For
like a man
breed?
yeah, if a female feel like
Yes.
she's able to benefit from a man, meaning when she breed for him, she has say, boy, him have a bright future ahead of him. Him have money. Him in a college,
Of
him a go
course.
graduate university. She run go breed for him because she say what?
Well,
Him a go
well,
be a
yeah. I
doctor.
guess. I
Him a
guess.
go be a lawyer. You understand?
Baby
Him
Gina
have
look like
money.
she
Me
agree.
can put him on child support.
No,
All these
no, I
things
know
can
that.
come
No,
from
man,
money.
This I
I
get
know.
serious,
Agree,
you
me
know.
not agree. No, I'm admitting that I know that women do that, but you see, when you buck up on some hustler woman out there, when no for hustler and all them woman, it's rare when you find a
All right.
woman.
Listen, me
Right.
can tell you this for sure, right? I have been in there. I had friends who tell me, "Oh, you have the perfect relationship because you take care of you and all of that." Boops,
Right,
I
that's
went
a
and I lost
Sammy.
my baby.
Hit
When me have my
wonder.
miscarriage,
Thank you,
everybody
Hit
them want
wonder.
everybody do them
Thank you.
condolences. Oh, sorry for your loss and whatever, sorry for your loss and whatever, me know son do want baby, whatever. Little bit after that, when I see him person, they tell me say me feel grateful because him and take care of me breed for him.
Yeah, that's the thing, Devi.
So she breed for him
Not
because she a take
because
to
a
go
man is taking
supermarket
care of
too.
you mean
She
that
a get to go
he wants
supermarket,
the best
she
for
a
you.
get to go over. She a get to go over the big supermarket and push the big trolley too, and she a get her name pan in card them too. So all of the stuff them she say me
That's
should be
right.
grateful for. She gonna get them because she breeding fame, but poor she never know say she still never get them.
That friend that did bad mind, Devi.
So women do it.
Most friends stay some man.
I
You have
never
to keep
really
people the
friend, but
relationship.
I
It
never
no,
associate just somebody
it no good.
around.
That's why it no good for you talk
This
about
is
the
why you
goodness of
know.
your man
That's why you know if
sometimes.
it talk about. That's why a lot of female mess up because you go must say, boy, must have my man and my man just a do so last night and him just a fling it this time, him just a go this time, him just a. What you think your friend are gonna do when time you come and brag on a boat about shut up and try that too?
That same experience there.
She's gonna wanna try it. And you
No,
know where
well, in
some
a my
woman
case,
got
he never
dumb?
have to.
A
In
lot
my
of
case,
women dumb. A lot of
in my case,
women,
I didn't have to say who know me are going to know like because we've been together for so long. I didn't have to say anything. Persons would just be looking and them admire and them see what
yeah.
I want. Everybody was just envious. Them never necessarily did under.
But you know the funniest
Okay.
thing more than one ask Devi? You know the funniest thing? A lot of time,
Oh,
not to
there's
stray off topic.
one brand.
And not to
I know
not
that
to
they,
stray.
me know some man tell woman who make what they want. Yeah, but me can't tell you. Say, some of we
Yeah.
woman, some of we too fool because we know when man a tell we bullshit, but no, we don't listen. We don't
A
listen
lot
to
of
sense out
women
of
All right, Devi.
nonsense.
a
So you
lot
see
of
where
women
Devi
who
G did
tell
I say
women stuff.
you see when you did I say earlier that the men go off of what them see, the female go off of on the ear. You see me?
Here.
So yeah, so
Yeah.
when time a
Cause a
man
man
come
is
and him a tell
attracted.
you
A man is
and him a tell
attracted
you
to what
all the
he
right things,
sees.
una go agree with it and una go say, yeah boy, that boy I must say this and he must say that.
Mm-hmm.
But that's how it
Mm-hmm.
is. Most men will lie and try to play on a female's emotion with the stuff that he tells her.
With the
You see me?
words.
Yeah.
And then you see when them pull you, you see when them pull you, hey. If a man pull you in with them words, mighty God, and you find the action back of the word. All when the action I
Dead.
give you bun left, right, and center is like the words when I say it come like it already soaking in your
I'm
brain.
actually a funeral
Oh, you
director
know
when
that?
man
Oh, you know that,
tried
baby G?
to me before.
I've been there. And it's one of the hardest parts
Baby
of the
G,
head to get out of.
Baby
Yes.
G, I don't know if you
Yes.
notice, but you have an admirer right here,
I do.
Yeah, big muscle.
Oh,
You don't notice.
me are looking. Me are looking at the comment section. Me one.
Big muscle.
Hold on.
No,
Where
express
comment
yourself,
section at?
man. Come and say you want to express
No,
yourself. So me I give you a
no,
little helping hand.
No, me I listen to what go on. Me I listen to what.
Yeah, man.
Me I
Come and
work
say you
on a
want me
playlist at the same
playlist
time.
and all these things.
he told me
You
that
know?
he's working on a playlist. So
All right.
me.
All right.
Yeah, get under baby G's skin, wait.
So express yourself,
No,
G.
and the fact say
No. Me
playlist.
off
You
of the
know
market,
say
my lad. Me off the market. I just chat me a chat,
see it
man.
there.
You're off the market.
Exactly.
Yeah.
12
The
no,
Shanice
actually a
says she
funeral the
see it there
woman
too.
At
tried
least you're
to
honest,
And
they are
alone
shooting
see
me
a
it. You
shot.
see?
before.
And me alone see it.
Hey, may I
But
make the
yeah.
man get in a trouble?
Me like
Sorry, my
communicators, man.
G. Me not say I
Communicators.
get in no trouble or nothing. But you understand? Yeah. Man of action. Yeah.
Man of
Um
action.
Hey,
Honestly.
Sammy, low, the man in the Sammy
But
and the April
hold
man thing.
on. You see, what was I gonna touch on with what Sammy was
Debbie.
saying when Devi, sorry, yes. When Devi was saying with the whole friend thing and whatever. One of the problem where we women
Yes,
have as
Shanice.
problem and we don't realize, you see when your man come to you and tell you say, yo, B, so your friend I look me. It's like me no know what I'm to it because I've done it. It's like something just click and we just automatically feel say the man a tell lie. You say we're gonna approach the female
everybody
friend,
a look quick. That one I go say
and
everybody a look you.
and
The
then
thing
when
that
you approach
everybody
a
want
female
you.
friend, and the female friend tell you say, and your man a look she, we automatically believe the female friend instead of women, you know. When I really the female friend for sure look him, you
Not
know.
me. Not me, not me. Me go my bed, go dream, say me see my friend and my boyfriend and my malice the friend. Not me. Me just dream it. Me just want dream it because me not trust woman. Woman are wicked.
That
Me
I
I
see
want
him
to.
girl with a
And me
pussy
fi tell
cat,
you.
Italy cat.
Woman just as wicked as man. Normally when me talk, my friend them say you can't do
That's
what
what I
woman and
say.
talk against woman. But me say
No,
women
no
are
lie, women
very
are wicked.
cool.
Women
Women
wicked.
are
Women
very
sometimes and
cool.
they make
I have
it bad. It go
seen
right back. It go right back to what I was saying earlier. It go right back to when me I say woman are wicked, and you see the wicked woman them make it bad
make
for
it
the
bad.
good woman them.
Mhm.
Because all I know, you know, me can't understand in a
All right,
society.
so
You have some big woman, you know, and you,
Active
some wicked
Baba.
woman, them always like get the nice man them. You see the wicked woman them get the nice man them, and then them hurt
That's
them
it.
and turn them in a dog.
And
Jaja.
it got to
What you
see.
mean by telling them like that? What you ask?
Because
Time man
men
them
get
are
so
all
evil.
right,
hurt.
Baby
True
G,
Queen
it got
have a
both ways, you know.
question.
Because a lot of the females that end up
True
that
Queen have
way
a
is because
question.
a man take them and him
Okay, true
disrespect
queen,
them
shoot
and
the
him deal with them
question.
the worst way. So that is what happens.
Queen
It's not,
question
but
is
that's what I'm
what advice
saying.
can you give?
It goes both ways. It goes both ways because you have a man and the man is good, and you as a
Baby
wicked
G,
girl,
say
and
I'm
because you
another
feel like
admirer there.
what? Listen, my man.
Everybody
Hi
wants to
Jay,
baby
how are
G.
you, Jay? But hold on. It is I understand that it goes both ways, Danny, but it works worse when it comes on to a female hurting a man. Remember, some man can't take man no bill for take hurt like how some female take hurt, you know. So you see when
Yeah,
time
that's
you
true.
as a wicked girl and you feel like you're a wicked girl and you see a good man out there and you got hurt a good man out there. When that the good man they aren't broken a man, I want the biggest dog them up on the road when time them ready for go after the other woman when them for go a road again, you know.
Stop calling
And
me
they
out.
work it
Stop
two
calling me
ways.
out. You call me out, Baby G.
No, but that's true. Big must say work. It just a
But it
man and go
is
for woman and stuff.
true.
Yeah,
Because
man.
the
I
But
agree
it
police
with
is
you
say
there.
true.
people
And then you
big
have
must check
some
with
good
no
woman
police.
out there. And then it turn around now this and it's like a cycle. It's like a cycle. So
Cycle.
you see that good the wicked man there, the man that will turn a wicked man, him find a good woman. And when him find a good woman, the good woman him hurt she, and then she just decides that she gonna become a wicked girl. The cycle just keep going round and round and round and round. That's why I say it is like a
Very deep.
That
gamble.
is true.
To find a good person nowadays, it is a gamble.
Welcome to the live, everyone, and
Yeah,
thank you
yeah,
for
yeah.
coming. We do this
Yeah,
Yo.
so true Queen question is
so we can
to
come
I
back
think a
everybody
man
in
will
the
spiritually.
box.
open.
What advice do you have to give a woman if she's living with a man and can't find a way out? She says off topic.
Can you give
Can't
Okay.
find a
what
way
So,
can
out.
you
what
Hey.
you mean can't find a way out? You have to be more specific with that.
Yeah,
meaning to
like,
say
What
you
you
don't
Is
mean
it
have any
can't find a
love
way
or
financially
out?
hard?
you don't have no affection
Mean,
or anything or is it a
meaning it's an abusive
narcissist?
situation.
Is it
Is it an abusive
abusive or
situation?
narcissistic?
Yes.
If it is abusive or narcissistic, it depends because narcissistic. Whew,
If it's
but is
narcissistic,
it
sis, just walk out. Just brave up and
It's not
leave
necessarily so
because
easy for walk out of it. A
Is it a
narcissistic
case?
relationship is just as terrible as abusive. It is abuse. You're there with
Is
a narcissistic
it's
person, let me tell you, you
emotional
know,
Baby
man.
G,
abuse.
is it a case
Oh,
of
psychological abuse.
him
Jesus.
maintaining you financially and you don't have it in you to actually step away
It's
because you
pretty
might
bigger
can't
than
deal with it?
that. Bigger
Start,
than
but
abuse
starting you
and
have to be
narcissist.
specific.
You have to be specific, true queen. You're not really
To not explain ourselves properly.
One if she want come in her box.
Yeah, that's what me I go try do. My other if I can see her.
yeah, true queen. Me nah.
Me now see send a request, darling. So so I can add it to the box. But if it's a situation where you're in an abusive situation, try and get help. Don't sit down
And
and
if
take
it's
it.
You
if
can't
it's
say that. You know me, no, Danny. You can't say that.
What you mean I can't say that?
You can't say.
Me telling her
Let
to
me
get
tell you.
help
If
is
it is an no, you can't. Let me tell you something. You see, when you
in the right
tell
way though.
somebody in an abusive relationship, they say go get help. It come like you throw salt in a cut. Cause I don't like them not try to get help. Me can't tell you that. I not try them not try. But majority of the time, it is so. You go to all the police to get help, and the police are send you back to your abuser.
Where is she
And
located?
me not talk just at Jamaica. Me not talk just Jamaica. Me mean even whether the US, whether the only place me see it is a little bit kind of different between Canada and England. When it come to Jamaica, no.
But
No,
No,
man.
it's not
starting, you're not
me. It's
being
a friend of
specific
mine. I kept
as
talking to her, but
saying,
she won't.
so.
Is
but
it
what
that
is
So
it?
she's? Is it
Abusive?
She won't
what
take
I
if
am
it is
saying, baby
abusive?
G,
If
baby
it is
G, what
abusive,
I am
it's not
saying,
just
get help.
seeking help. It's a plan. It's a plan. When it is
When I'm
abusive,
saying get
it is
help,
it takes a make up mind. So if she's being
Here's
abused, there's nothing where her mother, her papa,
all
her
right,
auntie,
baby
there's
G,
nothing where
listen for a
true queen
second.
can tell her to come out.
Baby G, listen for a second. Obviously, if she's telling her friends about the situation, she's seeking help, which is what she's doing. Exactly what I'm saying. Try and get help.
To stay,
If
she
you tell your
leave the
friend them
house, the
about it,
guy run her out all the
tell
time and bring her back.
does she
It's a
have somewhere
mental
to go?
thing, right? Because
It's a mental
listen to this.
abuse.
Yeah.
Listen,
that's different. That's her
listen,
choice.
baby
Everywhere
G,
she
right?
go,
So you see
Yeah.
the
what is
man
happening, right? It
find
is
her.
like, have you ever noticed somebody who is on drugs or the person that must smoke weed? It's no matter how they try to withdraw from it, they're going to want it more. The more, because even though
Psychological.
it's toxic, even though it's hurting, even though it's
Right,
abusive,
Mr. President.
in their mind, it's good for them. In their mind, it's their happy place.
How
From
Yeah.
does
being in a
he
relationship
how
with a
does he find
narcissistic
her, true
person,
queen? How does he
you
find her? How
understand.
does he find her?
But
Everywhere
sometimes I
she go, the
probably
man
cheat
find
because
her. That's what I was just about to say. That was just what I'm about to say. I saw the signs before and I
even
told
though
her
Take
she's
an
before it get
being
this
extended
hurt,
stay
far.
at a family member house and
she's
don't go
being
back.
hurt.
Uh-huh.
If she's
Let me
being
tell you
hurt,
something.
right, and
Let me
she's
tell you,
going to go back,
let me
you
dip.
know why she's going back? Wait, baby G. You see why she's
She's
going
gonna
back
go
is
back.
because they feel
Tell
without him, she feels empty. A part of her feels lost, and she's
her.
going to keep going
Yep.
back until
Right, Mr. President.
it reaches
Her
a level, yes,
family.
until she can make up her
I
mind
saw the signs
and
her family will
mentally
hurt.
she's prepared to leave. She won't
That's the
leave.
only way.
She
Right,
have
Yes.
Let
to
me tell you something,
mentally be
true
ready.
queen. Let me get into my business, true queen. Let me tell you about my business, true queen. Oh, I got out of
Go
my
ahead.
abusive relationship because they wanted her to use the man money but cheat. Let me tell you something, oh, me get out of my abusive relationship, true queen. Every time me go away, I me text him. Once he message me miss you, me gone back. My mother tell me so she can't deal
Yeah.
with it. My auntie said
Psychological.
that man put him on
Yes,
for me. Me run to me
psychological.
auntie, him find me. Because what? Me make him know which palm me day. And me always make him know which palm me day. You know, oh, me wake up. One day my son look for me and when me I come out of the house and I go to him, my son say, Mommy, where you go? And it's like one something just hold on palm my brain same time. I can realize that anyhow me go, this man can kill me and me pick the right that's up. You know what I had to do? Me left every location where him could have possibly know. Me change
And
my
find
number.
him.
Hold on. Me not read Me change my number. Me left my job. Me walk out of everything. Me find
You have
myself
to
at
take a
one place in a
loss. And that
Jamaica.
me did want
Me
to say,
just take a
Thanks for the
you have
loss.
to
rose,
take a
Miss Danny.
loss. And that me did
Me
want to say,
take a
you
loss
have to
because the
take a
place where me
loss.
end up. Hold on now, me tell you how me fool same way. The place where me find, me could even know, me don't know where that's so. And guess what? Me as a big idiot, him sister call me and tell me say them say him damn workplace and him a go kill himself. And what you think this boo do? Boo the clown went back.
Narcissistic
And Boo
leader
the
that
clown help him and talk him down
make him
because
feel
him decides
guilty.
him go kill himself and me no want him for kill himself. And Boo take
Yeah,
him back. And son Boo take him back. Boo get lick
exactly.
again and Boo get knock again. But you know what Boo do the next time? At this, me say when me realize what was happening, I'ma go back which part me that come from. Me lock off my number all from my mother. My mother not hear from me for a month until them did all put me, tell them I go carry me put me on news cause I'm missing. And that is how I got over it. And all them did I go try draw me back, me ear say him get strokes. I send me ear say him get strokes and him sister them I try to send message for say him get strokes. And no, and that's how me know me get over it. You have to, I forgot take one big loss and cut off everybody and make up, change her number. No mother, no father, no have no access to her. If she have kids, make sure left her pitney them with one because I left my child for about a month. I'm
But
not see
check
me
it here,
pitney.
right?
She
It's
have to take a
unusual
loss.
that something
It
like
coming
that
like the
She have
happen.
to
judge
work
just
on
now just said.
herself.
Same thing what Chevy
Um,
said.
The
I hear
fruit
that.
that's not good and tell her to buy it.
a
I
lot
remember
of
before she
times,
Yeah,
started
man, it's like
using,
a
she told me
drug.
that it was
a
wrong.
A
lot of
drug man.
times,
It's a
females
drugs.
females find themselves in an abusive situation. I don't know why some men do it. They try to do it to control the females.
It's a control
You
thing,
know?
Bridget.
Yeah,
Yo,
so
you know,
them
so the
try to
new
do
girl
it to
already.
control the females.
Saying,
And
Him
it's
only
something
gonna
that
find her
happened.
because she is allowing him to find her. She need to come off of Facebook, come off of all social media, change her number, dash with every single thing. She has to make up her mind.
you have to take a loss, you know.
You see, True Queen, I can advise you this. It's sad to say, it is very sad. I know maybe some will bash me, but True Queen, you see, if she don't make up her mind, you are gonna
You can't help
constantly
it.
stress yourself
Yes,
and
you
worry
can't help it.
yourself,
Yes.
and you are gonna send up your own blood pressure over she because it's like she not gonna realize for herself, to care for herself, and
Let's
gonna
give the
constantly
blood
stress out
pressure
you.
trying to fix this phone up right there.
Welcome to the live, Diddy. Wagwan.
I appreciate it, brother, man. Yeah, I have been
Aye.
having difficulty putting the phone in there.
Yes, True Queen,
Okay.
you're gonna get mad. You are gonna get mad because she's pulling you into it and it's gonna pull your energy and you're gonna constantly get upset.
That one coming like
Well,
She have
um rounded and baby wheel. I try to get him off a drug, but it don't come out right.
wait,
right?
big up yourself, Circle. What you have to go do, True Queen, is you, as a friend, you can try to give her the best
And then you're gonna
advice
put
you
your
can try
own.
to give her.
Yep.
And if she's not
Hi,
receiving
Mr.
your
Trucker.
advice, there's nothing else you can do about that. You understand me?
I
But
true that.
you can try
True
to
Queen,
do other
be
stuff.
careful.
But
Be
if
careful, True
you,
Queen.
yeah, because if you
Be
giving her
careful.
advice isn't enough, are you trying to intervene isn't enough, it's best for you to just leave the situation because she's comfortable in the situation. And if
Right, that's
she
a then.
wasn't comfortable in the situation to the point where she'll go back to him all the time, like you
She that
said,
gone.
and every time him find
Yo,
her,
why some people
she
can't
should have
understand
leave.
this? You say, yo, let me tell you something. Danny, you see what that business is, right? Then the business what people want to say. You see them trying to hear people got to the same thing for 3 years straight. You know, say you didn't take it yet.
Black football right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
I'm
didn't take
hearing
it yet.
I'm hearing I'm not hearing your somebody mic, somebody background.
Yeah, man, just start it out.
No, True
Yeah, go
Queen.
ahead,
No, no,
Mama.
no. No, True Queen. Mm-mm.
Giving her a mind. She said no, she don't want to leave. I
Mm-mm.
tried so
No, give
many
her no
things.
man
But
right now.
Queen,
You have to
you have to
save
get
yourself.
taken
And
Say,
out
and
save
of
be
yourself,
the
careful
Chunky.
because you
Save
don't
yourself.
want that man for start free you to a next thing.
Yeah,
Him
no.
start
She gonna end up
Save
try
hurt
to
the
yourself.
man
hurt
there. She
you
gonna
too.
end up any man she get no she gonna hurt them. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Oh, you were
So
just
like me
testing
say,
her. No,
the
sir.
best thing you can do is
I
leave
wasn't
her to
hearing out what
learn
Big
from
Massa
her
was
own mistake.
saying.
Save
What was
yourself.
Big Massa saying? I
You
didn't
see
hear
me?
it because of
No,
the
what me that
Because
background
you
say? What
noise.
me
can't
that
save
say?
someone who don't want to be saved.
No, what me that say,
I
Chevy,
wasn't
is this. You see, entire you hear, you see, when it comes to man and woman, especially married people, man and woman business, see, like what two people are telling us, especially married people. You see, entire you hear them say the same thing over and over, they have 2 years straight, and you them take it again. Remember, me tell you that thing. Because you did it
Not
small little problem every
necessarily.
month on top of month, and it drain you down. That
No,
man
And at
not
the
start you
same
start
necessarily,
have a,
Big
same
Massa.
problem all the
you
time.
start have a problem a year, yeah, now.
It
Because them
must
not
not
listen.
necessarily. It's a
No, me know so not
psychological
necessarily, but I
thing
tell you sometimes.
because you have persons who are in this relationship for years. And I remember there are people that get abused for years and years and years and can't find themselves out of it. And people will tell them, oh yeah, idiot, and I'm with them going, oh yeah, idiot, I can look at that. It is not easy. It is not as easy doing it as how somebody is going to say it. You understand? I spent 8 years with somebody and the one the last 2 years and me just have to make up my mind and just walk away. It took time
They take a
to get
lot.
a certain because I
Okay,
study
then.
psychology. And I've talked to persons and me try to fix everybody on me to fix myself because it is harder to do it than you telling somebody to do it. It is so easy for you to tell somebody to do it. It is so easy to hear that you need to leave. But it is very hard to actually take up your things and walk away, especially when you look at all the good things you keep moving them to mark the bad
Sammy.
things. So she's going to be there for a while. She get lit and it's hot. But then when she gone, it feels as if a part of her is missing. It feels as if you can't go on with it. Make it worse so she don't work. So she's dependent on this person so she can find that independence
Devi,
mentally, physically, and
Devi,
financially. She won't
Devi,
move.
Devi,
Yeah,
not to
yeah, yeah.
cut you off, Devi, but listen to this. You have to, how you get to get yourself out of it, nobody cannot take you out but you. You have to then reach to a spot that you love you.
That's what I'm
If you
saying. She
don't
need
love
She
independence
you,
for
you're not
herself.
gonna
she
left
have to
and come
decide
out.
that on her own. No
Yeah,
matter
man,
what
that's what I
you
was
do,
You
Yep.
saying.
have to
no
That's what
love
I
matter
was
when nobody
saying.
said
She
to
you.
have to
her,
find
she have to decide
independence.
that.
If
That's
she
what I
not,
ended it. That she have to have
You have
independence
to love
financially, independence
you.
emotionally, independence physically, psychologically. She have to be able to be happy with herself for herself. Or no, but she's not going to need to love herself enough to leave. But right now she's not loving herself enough. She have to develop that love for herself enough. That it's not good enough for me. Me can't sit down and take this. Me love me more. But until she
The
reach that level that
moment
she
you
love
start
herself,
loving you, trust me, you'll see your value and you will walk
yeah,
away.
hmm
I can
Trust
love
me.
yourself more.
Definitely.
Trust me,
and that is
Panda.
why a lot of persons, true queen, I know your friend alone. It's not your friend only that is
I
sitting
want
down
it
in a
for people,
situation
mama.
like this. A whole heap of people will go through them something here, and there is nothing. What will happen? That's why it's hard for them to reach. So when them have to reach out and forget help, and I like say them now reach out to get help. Them a reach out to get help, but it don't make no sense. You tell them to reach out and get help. It don't make no sense because them are gonna pull you down in it. It's a self discipline. It's a self thing. If she not acknowledge within herself, say I need to. She have kids with the man. Do they have kids?
To it sound like she's young. Cause as she did explain earlier, her family them a tell her to stay with the
Oh
man
no.
because she want money because they want her to use the man for money. So obviously she
Right,
want the kids with him, she young.
right.
Yeah.
I have well, I mean I know. Me feel like say
Same
if
here,
me
Listen,
can
Panda.
I
lift
can
one
tell Baby
if me
G.
can
I
lift one
can tell
millionaire,
Baby
anybody
G.
can lift one left them.
I can tell Baby G. So Baby
They say
G,
left for a
me I go
millionaire,
through
baby
this and
G.
me I go through that and me I go through everything, right? But at the end of the day, guess what? Baby G
Exactly.
can say my advisor this, my advisor that. But at the end
I
of the
give her
day,
all the
I
advice
me
in the
have to
world.
make the decision
I
when
she have to make
me
up her
want.
mind.
You
Listen to me,
understand what
man.
me I
Exactly.
say?
Let me
It
tell you
have to go be
something.
something what she want for herself.
John,
Exactly.
I listen to
Uh-huh.
people problem already till me sick, you know. I mean, literally sick. I mean, I say, yo, oh, me feel so. And I realize that people problem I listen to you. And then now, change nothing with them.
Princess.
We tell them to
Exactly,
do them.
princess. I agree, princess.
So
That's a
You
start.
understand what I
so
mean? So I know from experience, say, yo, you see, once me tell us one thing, first, you're a child, or a 2, 3 year old,
so
grown adult, saying, me show you a way, multiple ways, different people are show you ways. But they come back to what Chevy say, a psychologist, you come like a drugs or cocaine,
So true queen,
See,
when every time she plan to leave, the man start to behave himself and try to fix up. She, as a human being, she don't realize that is something that he's doing to manipulate her.
you know, listen to Chevy now. Listen
He's
to Chevy.
manipulating her. So every
Psychologically.
time when time him sister she a go leave her, him see like him and mess up and she
Chevy, this
want
time.
for step
Chevy.
out, him start fix up himself and start to do certain things to make she feel comfortable for one to stay.
But
She
where
as a
where
woman
in this
supposed
you
to
find?
understand that.
But then where in this you find yourself and know that this is a manipulation.
Yeah, that's what me
Can
I
you
say
see
she need to
Yeah.
psychology?
learn that. Cause
Psychological.
listen me.
Psychology. People
Cause
use
listen
from
me.
people all the time.
Listen me.
It's a
If you're smart enough,
narcissistic trait.
you're gonna know when someone is playing games.
I'm gonna tell you
And
something.
you're going
Denny,
to
Denny, Denny, you see, no
yeah.
matter how you
What
think
true?
you're strong, if the right person comes around to manipulate you, a narcissistic person, Denny, you'd be surprised. So the advice that we are give right now, somebody will give
Uh-huh.
you and you still not gonna take it. If a right
Uh-huh.
narcissist
Debbie,
come your way
Debbie, yes, we're
and
true
fix
queen. Yes, we're
you,
true queen, right? What she said, the man
Break it.
tire. I know nothing to do with no tie. He's a narcissist.
A
Narcissist will make you
he's a,
feel
narcissistic
like
trait.
hobby upon you. That's a
Tell them.
you know what?
narcissist.
Star
You
Queen,
see when
you know
you see
what
study
somebody
in
said to me
TikTok?
the other day? Give me a minute,
Right.
big muscle. You know what a girl said to me the other day? She said to me, we were having a disagreement, right? And the conversation started to say, oh, me not left my man because he told me say, if money left, me not find better than him and me start laugh. So me say what idiot. But then being a person who went to university and studied psychology,
Study
then
psychology.
I took it back and said, she's not an idiot. She's just been manipulated. And if you're not
Manipulated.
strong enough, you're going to submit it. She did say, she
Right.
said her boyfriend told her that if he leaves her, she will never find a man to make her happy. He's the only man for her. And she believes it. She believes it so to the core. That's why I work and
Yeah.
I work with the man. She moved out her house with the man. If she have that piece of clothes, she have to consult the man and leave one on the dog.
So
You just
Debbie,
feel this
you're
a
a
yellow yellow.
psychologist.
Right away.
I'm not a psychologist. I did study because I was intrigued. I wanted to know how the brain works. I'm a realized that a lot of persons
You
like
know, the
she
other day I
was
was having a
told, oh,
conversation with a friend, and my friend was telling me that something I should minor it because I like to discuss things like this,
Psychology
and
bringing out philosophy.
I like to have conversation, and I
Yeah.
like to give people advice and stuff like that. But
Yeah.
like you were saying, a lot of times when people find themselves in a these kind of situation, it's hard for them to take themselves from the situation. Cause
Right.
That's true.
as a man, I have been in the situation where I have been with a female, and she wanted me to abuse her. She wanted to
I
force
have
my hand.
heard that.
She want
Heard
I've
that?
heard men
You
who said
experienced that?
women. No, me hear men, woman say.
so she would pick random fights with me. She did always want for start some silly little problems, and she would do some whole heap of things just to get me
And I like
irritated.
that me experiencing. Me
You
experienced it
understand me?
during
So this is
during
something that happens with females also. And then
yeah,
During that,
intercourse. Intercourse, yeah.
and then no, that's different.
some women,
That's
that's
different.
different. I
That's
consider that.
different. Cause I have
that
been with
different,
Did
Let
it
me
big
tap
teach
my
us
muscle. I
something
mean,
nice.
that one
different?
the different.
Let me
Papa,
tap my
I saw it as
nice.
abuse. Because I never
Baby
know
G,
about
me
them
used
stuff.
to talk to this girl, and every time she come on me hard and I try to do it, and no matter what me do, no matter how much kiss, no matter how much hug, no matter how much caress her, every time when it reached to the part that she give me, I can't get it. And one day me just get fed up and me just start bother her up. Back her up against the wall and start rough her up and say, don't come back on me yard because you take me for fool and thing. She just start telling me, say, kiss me. So me I say, hold on there. I rough up your life. I
Yeah,
bad
then
up
girl
your
not tell
life.
me that again.
So you see, every
Girl
time
tell
when time me
yo,
and she
Denny,
there nowhere, no matter which part at all with it, once I somewhere private, me just start bad her up and give her all a nice
Denny,
push
Denny, listen
against
to
the
me.
wall
Denny,
and rough
Denny,
up, you know? I know me have to
Denny.
get some more.
Me know this nice chick when me usually deal with. You say me call her and say, yo, this evening we could do this and that and rate and whatever. He will say, yeah, and then just blow me off. You say if me call him and say, yo, hey girl, Man, I come down there now. What you mean that? I say, okay, what time you reaching? So I start to study. See? I'm realize, well, on there. How comes in time I talk normal to her, she don't respond to that. But in time I just rough and go on like, you understand? She respond to that. Let me
That
check it
some of
out.
them
You see
love,
her
brother. Me I
ex-husband,
tell you.
well, I know. You see her ex-husband, usually beat her up and deal with her that way. See? So it go back to
So
what Debbie
it's a
talk about.
condition now for
It's
her.
conditioning, it's psychology. She conditioned to be roughed up. It's
Mhm.
crazy, bro.
Yeah, some woman
It's
like
not
that.
really
Hey, Jav,
crazy, you know.
welcome to the
It's not
life,
really
Jav.
crazy, big muscle. It is just how you condition a man, and
Um,
it's different. It
can
don't
I
work with
ask?
everybody
Can
because
I
look at this.
can I ask a question? Can I ask? Do you know what is um do sub dom? Do you know what is a sub and what is a dom? Anybody knows what is a
Yes,
sub?
definitely.
Okay.
Everybody
You
supposed
see
to
her
know that.
Let's
face?
pull it
You
down.
see her
Go on
face,
to know.
baby
Go
G?
on,
She gonna want different world now. But what I
So
was saying, big
Jav,
muscle, it depends on the
No,
person,
and
big
I
muscle.
really
Because
want
it
different
don't
world, you
work.
know, and I really want
It,
different world, you know, and just because
Jav, why you come out of that?
me no really want go in at the sub. What, see there? Man in say yes, girl. All right, I find my people.
so big muscle, it don't work for everybody, right? Because it is the
All right, that's a true
same way
queen.
I met this guy, right? Hello?
yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, big muscle. So I met this guy and we're talking, right? Anyways, when I got to start out business now, I realize say, Papa grabbed down in a short and something. I mean, I say, right, that's my mood cut. And then I get to understand that probably that's something I used to do in ex. But it don't work
Yeah.
for everybody. Because it depends
No.
on how you get it. So my
So
But that go
David,
back
she
to what we
used to
not
get
you
said
beat
wouldn't
them
earlier
put
all
on
the
a
on.
one
time. She
box
can't
in your
expect
You
face
see?
and them
everything.
something there.
But you see, Dennis,
No,
that's what I
you
was
can't
saying
just
earlier on. Everything don't work for everybody.
Yeah,
No.
that's true, Joy.
exactly. But then it depends, you know. It depends. They can't just come and a grab throat and a lick, you know.
Uh-uh.
Me ready for come back now because me no want drown nobody in that partner when me just touch that. Cause me no
No, I'm gonna
want
pull it
to
down. I
hear.
want to know what is this subdam this is where the I really know.
You don't um um. Somebody
So
want to explain. Somebody want to explain to Big Muscle what is. See, true queen say it then, right? That's all.
Where's
Simple.
that it? What
But
on
it's
there?
more than that. It's more than that.
Fifty-three.
It's
Okay.
it's more
so
than
baby
just
G,
that
why
though.
you can't explain for him?
Me?
You know, see, use
Yeah.
your words, then, man. You know, if you, yeah, just use your words, and we read the thing like,
Um, it's not necessarily like it's a everyday thing, you know, but you just there's a lot of female who it ah Jesus. See there,
it's
man, it's
complicated.
complicated. It's very complicated
Complicated.
to explain. It's complicated to explain. You
Okay,
kind of
okay.
just it's the bell. Oh Lord, true queen. Don't mention it.
There are
There are
men.
moments.
Guys,
It's
me go take a call. See you.
there are
So
many
quick
there are many.
question. Ladies, quick question. How often you think partners should have sex in a relationship?
Hey man, you think you're easy, you man, and you come try to draw me out in the night, yeah.
Hey ladies, how often you
Nope.
think a partner should give you sex in a relationship?
King New to your thing. Sorry. You can't ask me that, you know. That other one thing. Me can't go me I go one good little while right now without it.
No,
So
but I'm saying if you're in a relationship
I can't
or you have someone, how often you want it?
for me no want about make Jai answer that one, cause next thing people gonna cuss me off.
Yeah, no, Jesus. Why me every day?
Save me, man. Save me, baby. Save me.
Jaja.
Save me, my love. I can't answer it because I am not a
You're not
sexual
sexual.
being
Okay.
like
You're not
that.
sexual. That's
But
understandable.
there are certain things. That's why I said if
People have
God
white
bless the
lips.
day, God bless the day when God bless me with the man will actually understand me, understand my love language, and understand how I communicate, understand the whole subdom lifestyle, understand the whole praise. A lot of person don't understand praise. That was what
So
was happening with Devi. Devi is a praiser and she probably never realized that she's a praiser. I am a praiser.
so
Everything
Sammy said that depends on the person. My friend said 2 times weekly was good. Um
it
it
depends,
depends
yeah.
on the person for real.
It
So
depends. Me we get
so
it
this
out
is
once
a
once
big
every
thing, you
month, me
know.
alright. Or once
So this
every
is a
two every
What?
big thing,
month.
you know, baby G, because
Once
if
every
you're in
what?
a relationship,
Yo, me
if
more
you're
something
in
to
a
play a little for them,
relationship with a man who
but this not gonna
has
work.
sex 3 times a day or 2 times a day, he has to find a partner who wants the same thing. You know?
Exactly. But
So
it's not just about hold
so
on. What do
listen.
you
I'm not
define
saying it's
sex
all
as?
about
What do you define it as? What do you define
baby
it?
G. Baby
What
G.
is sex? What do you define it as? Does it
Baby
have to
G,
be
listen.
insert?
Baby
Stiff
G,
and split
listen.
meat, man. That's the matter
Listen.
about traditional.
So
Stiff and split
so
meat.
as a man or a man who them would have probably say have white liver. If I enjoy having sex with a person and I love this person and I want this person, every time when me go to look around 2 times and I see you walk past me 2 times, I feel like say me supposed to be inside of you, you know. Once me love you and me like you like that, you know. I want it all the time, you know. Sometimes maybe a little quickie, sometimes I might try for no say at a long distance thing or whatever the case may be. You see me? But I want to please the woman when me there with. You see me? So like me say, it depends on the person that you're with. And you have to find somebody who match your energy. If you know so the
Ah,
person if you know
There
so the
you
person
go.
don't like sex, then you
that's
know
it.
it not go agree. You not can go
Not gonna
agree.
work.
Me
Not
can
gonna
want
work.
have sex 3 times, 4 times for the day, and you only want have sex 1 time for the day.
Not gonna work.
And every time
See?
when time I ask you, you tell me say you're tired, me for go jerk off or me for go do something, you know. You
But
understand?
there are
That
other
not gonna work,
ways,
you know.
and
No, no
that
other
is
ways not gonna
why
work, you know. A traditional thing and
that
You have to
is
go
everybody will
find
come back to
somebody. You have to go find somebody who
who
willing to
can deal
work
in
with
other
them other
ways.
ways there.
Yeah.
You can't go come to a man like me where I go say, yo, boy, want it in a babes and you now go tell me say, babes, by the time I
You
come
know, there
and
are other
come out of the
ways.
room, go drink
Yeah.
some juice or drink some water. By the time I come in the room, just lay down and wait for me in a special position and them something there. Knowing some want it. You see me? So these things are important in relationships.
Very.
You have to find people who match
that's
your energy,
true.
your sexual levels. You see me? You have to find people when they're on the same level as
That
you.
is true.
So
That is true.
Denny, let me ask you a question, Denny. Let me ask you a question.
Sure.
Although you like to have sex anytime, every time, right? Do
Yes.
you have any level of self control?
Definitely. That is the point I make it. That's why I said earlier, you know. That's why I made it clear. If I enjoy having sex with this person, if I love this person, if this person is the
But
person
but
with
but
me
but
with,
but 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 but, but why am I ask you the
yeah,
question now, right?
yeah,
What if or suppose or can I
yeah,
trust you
yes.
to say 1 week pass and because you like having intercourse so much you're not gonna go outside of our
No, no,
relationship
all
to
right.
go and get
So me being the kind of
something
person
on
where
the
me is,
side somewhere along the line.
so me being the kind of person where me is like me tell you, if I'm in a relationship with you and you sleep naked next to me and you tell me say don't touch you or you don't want this or you don't want that, I am not going to force the issue. Unless me feel you back it up for me and you brace it for me. You tell me no, but you give me other signals otherwise. That's the only way me I go actually say, you know what she want it, you know, she just a tell me say she don't want it. But other than that, I am disciplined enough to know that yes, if she say no, I know she mean. You understand me? And we as men we know when time on really I say no from when really I say yes.
Bridget.
We can
Yo,
distinguish it.
Danny,
Not every man,
Danny,
they know some man will force the issue.
Danny.
You need to
But me,
stimulate
once you
her.
tell me say no, I'm gonna say you give me certain body language
Well, you
or
know,
certain reaction,
no, but
me I go
hold
listen.
on, you know.
Yeah,
Sister me, I said 1 week long to starve a man. I never say anything about starving. I'm asking a question because at the end of
yeah,
the day, you know, what if him love me and me love him and I get pregnant for him now? Them say, yeah, what, bam, a C-section I come across right, you know. I'm put on 4 and 6 weeks to 2 months. How that go? You talk about
yeah.
1 week. Sammy.
You know, so some second bit man. Right, that's so yeah.
We say I
Cause
say second pick the bad.
yeah, as soon as he mother ready back for your road, be dep on it. Boom, and next youth come again. Yeah.
Well,
That's this what me I talk
Real
about.
Jaja!
talk.
Oh,
unfortunately,
No,
I am
different.
in,
sir.
It not
I am,
different because listen,
Do
your
you have
mind.
kids,
Listen,
Danny?
it don't different some because it's how your
that's what I
mind
was just
work.
about to
It's
explain.
how
I
your
have
mind
no kids
work.
as yet,
Oh, you
you know?
haven't gotten any kids as yet?
No.
Oh.
Yeah. Hopefully, I like this girl and I think she like me too. Hopefully when she ready and she decides that yeah she wanted to have something serious and we want kids together, we can probably get kids together, you know?
Yeah, man, and take care of a gelding truck.
Yeah, but I'm not ashamed of it, you know. I'm not worried because I
Okay.
purposely didn't rush to have any kids because of
Oh,
my
that's
father.
good. That's good.
So my dad has 13 kids and my name after my father.
I
My father named
agree
Denny.
with you, Danny
My
Young.
father named Denny, them name me Denny too. So me never want to follow in my father footsteps and go breach up the
Footsteps.
place and
You
have
more
a
want to
bag
do
of
like
kidney
Ziggy
not so
Marley.
far.
You don't
You
want to
see?
like Bob Marley, you want to like Ziggy.
All right. So you understand.
Have your
So that
family
is why
together
me
anyway.
never rush and go get my pick me and them.
13 or 30.
13 I
Miss
said
Young, I
13, not
agree.
13. Yeah. So that is the reason why me never rush for try breed nobody. But yeah, more want kids. Maybe two the
Okay.
most.
One time get my youth them, me they just say, Jaja, when them I get big, if you ever see them now, them bigger than me.
Yeah, so it go for
See?
Boy,
real.
I
And me I
got
live a
two.
40-year-old yet. And that me I tell you.
I
Is
got
a
two and me
joy.
done.
Is a joy when you have
Yes,
kids
you
and you
done,
can
baby
raise
G.
them and grow them the way you
Then
want
who
to grow
couldn't
them.
get me get another one, Jai?
Baby G, you done. I'm just ready for start, baby G. Baby G, me
No,
a
Jaja.
6 and
mm-mm.
me just ready for start. Have 6 more.
Oh,
I
You talk about
how
you done.
old
wish,
are
I
you,
wish you
Joy, if
all
you
the
don't mind me
best.
asking?
I wish you all the best, my done.
Joy, if you don't mind me asking, how old are you and how many kids do you have?
Right, that's a Miss Young. Same thing, Danny. Manning's a
Who? Who
football
Denny?
team.
You, Miss Joy, I'm
You,
asking you, how
Jai.
old are you and how many kids you have?
Oh, I am 41 with 6 kids.
Oh, that's nice.
I
And
want
you want
more.
more.
Yeah, she can go back again.
How
But
many
Still
I
have
more
put me
you
could do
want?
another 6 years.
You want
You
another how
gonna
much?
when they want the
Me not
baby
me not
fever.
gonna get no more
Me
still,
no
but me
want
that
no
me
baby
could have
fever. Me
live out
stay away
another
from
6,
fever.
but me not really go. I go no more right now.
Okay. And
Can't
Shanicia
manage
says she
dry, you
want
know.
a football team. Oh, so you want
Mm-mm.
12 to 11.
I
We
want the
can't
Nope.
manage
football
with.
team.
Just the football
Shani,
team or you
God
want players
bless you,
on the bench?
Jai.
You want players
Sit
on the
Danny,
bench
sit
too,
Danny, just I
Shanicia?
say it there.
Shanicia, you
who
want
want a
Blessings,
football
players
team?
on the
blessings,
bench too?
blessings.
Hold on.
Or you
Yeah,
just
man, me
want
have
Shani,
four boy
Shani.
starters?
and 2 girl.
That's
The person who
lovely.
wants the football team, inbox me. Inbox me. Go to work.
Oh shit. Yeah, big muscle, you know, say I got gonna go find 12 wife. What happened to your big muscle?
That have one
Jesus
different
have
occasion.
mercy.
One at a
You have
time.
too much occasion.
But
The same time I work on a daily cover so.
it is gone were the days when you know you hear say your grandfather did get 20 pitney or your father did get
Me still
13
account
pitney,
my father
15
own.
pitney. Sometime
Rocky,
back
me
in the
Tell him
never see
again,
big
Sam.
muscle.
Tell him again,
Big Moses
Off
Manning.
the
say he's
mark.
off the
Lord
market.
God, everybody I remind him off the
Big
mark.
Moses say she a remind you say did say you're off the mark.
Hey, tell him
Who
again.
said that? Hold on there. Let me see
The
that
same
text.
Manning
person
and
won the
Sammy.
football team.
Manning and Sammy.
Yeah, I guess we did say
But
yes.
look how Danny have me over here. Me promise me people them say me I go live
All
10
right,
o'clock.
people. So thank everyone for
Mm.
coming on the live. I'm going to end the
All right.
live now.
Respect everyone.
And then
Danny.
next week, Sunday, you can tune in again at 9 o'clock and we share our views again on different topics, current
Yeah. Me I
affairs,
go
and
live now.
stories.
Cause me did promise some people say
So,
me I go live myself and me never go. So me have to go end up
so
run over upon my
if
live,
you're
you
not
know.
following me, please do follow me and I will
Yeah, man.
follow
I
back.
follow
And
Danny.
Gee.
Follow
Okay.
Jordan and
so I
things.
hope you guys
All
have a
right,
Wish me
everybody
a
wonderful
have a
happy
night.
good
birthday.
night.
When is your birthday, True Queen?
Today, it look like a
Is
today.
it
Happy birthday
today?
to you
Happy
Happy
too.
birthday.
birthday.
Happy
And
birthday.
Happy birthday
if
to you,
True.
darling. Try
people
to
if
see
you want
what.
to watch back the live, I post the lives on my YouTube
Good
channel.
night.
You
Good
can
night,
click in my
Wanda. Good
bio and you'll
night.
see my YouTube channel, so you can watch the live on my YouTube channel. I'll upload this live
Coming
tomorrow.
coming over. Where you
So
coming, Jay?
yeah.
Where are you coming?
So you can subscribe to
On
my YouTube
Halloween. Me say
channel
on
also.
Halloween is
Me
her
Coming
subscribe
birthday.
too,
over
man.
with
I'm a
you, baby
YouTuber too.
G.
Alright, my boss.
Okay,
Respect
no
and
problem.
Check
Come, man,
yourself. Check
come. I'm
yourself.
coming over and I'm going now.
All right. That's
So
not
good
more.
night
Respect.
Bye,
everybody.
guys.
All
Yes,
right.
Bye.
sir. Respect.